And the race is on. Sa totoo lang, fast to begin, Angel Dugo, Super Crusade, Miss Manila down on the inside, Swap Tiger. Sa totoo lang, Miss Manila, Super Crusade, Angel Dugo, Swap Tiger is running by the joint account, racing sixth position. Haywire and Good Humor and a long way back to Primera Clase. Super Crusade, the favorite, is now the leader, followed by Angel Dugo. Sa totoo lang, is running by the rail, and on the outside is joint account. Swab Tiger is running by the rail. Miss Manila, Haywire, Good Humor. Rounding the far turn, Super Crusade. Sa totoo lang, once again, by Darrell and on the outside is Angel Dugo. Nearing the last 450, Super Crusade. This time by a length and up, sa totoo lang, Angel Dugo, Swap Tiger. And on the outside is Miss Manila. And nearing the last 200 meters more to run, Super Crusade. This time by some 4 lengths now, followed by Miss Manila, Angel Dugo, sa totoo lang, and joint account, Swap Tiger, Super Crusade, Miss Manila, and finally Super Crusade, Miss Manila, Angel Dugo, joint account, Good Humor, sa totoo lang, Primera Klase, Swap Tiger, and Haywire.